ladies and gentlemen, girls, welcome to the beautiful island of Corfu here in Greece. The local time is 2 hours ahead of the UK and it's just gone 11:32 and it's a beautiful morning. If everyone's safety, please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched this off. Now that we have left the runway, you may now use your handheld electronic devices to make and receive calls. Before you leave us today, please ensure you have everything with you. Have a look in the seat pocket, under the seat in front of you and in the overhead compartment. Please take care when opening the overhead compartment that nothing has moved, which could injure yourself or a fellow passenger. Once again, any items of lost property will be handed off to the authorities here at Corfu Airport as we are returning back to Glasgow this afternoon. If you're given an additional seatbelt or life jackets, then please do leave this visible on your seat as you disembark the aeroplane. And if you have checked in a child's buggy or left these at the steps of the aeroplane in Aberdeen, you'll be able to collect them in the arrivals hall with the remainder of your luggage. You now need to have your passports ready for the Greek immigration authorities. And as a reminder, in accordance with Greek law, smoking is not permitted, including the use of electronic cigarettes, until you have exited the terminal building and only in a designated area. For those who are on holiday with TUI, the first choice, you need to look out for the TUI team, and they will guide you to your onward transfer arrangements. For those of you on board who are joining up with Umbrella Discovery 2, you will need to collect all of your luggage, and this will be the last time that you will see this, as it will be delivered straight to your cabin. Coaches will wait for you to take you down to the port for approximately a 3-mile journey, about 15 to 20 minutes depending on traffic. For those passengers who are joining on the Umbrella Discovery, you will need to have your health declaration certificates completed. This will be given to you if it hasn't been given to you already. When you get onto your coaches, you'll have to have authorisation for your balance of your account for your cabin when you check in. Light refreshments is also available while you're waiting to check in.